Hello again, Jennifer here with another MPL photography tips and tricks video. Let's jump straight to it. Here are 5 simple photography terms for beginners. Term number 1, subject. Simply put, the subject is the person or thing that you're photographing. They are the focal point of your photo and they play an important role in the mood of your photo. So think about a subject or a person that is smiling versus frowning. Think about a building that is standing tall and strong and gleaming versus one that is run down and crumbling. A flower that's growing and blooming versus one that's wilting. You could also think about a stream that's been long dried up or one that's rushing and full of movement and life. The subject of your photo plays an important role in the overall outcome and feel of your photo. Term number 2, the setting. The setting of your photograph is the place you're photographing. It's the location. It can include the background and the foreground, the time of day, or even the time of year. The setting is the place and space that make up your photograph. Finding the right setting to photograph your subject is incredibly important to determining the total outcome of your photo, how it looks, how it feels, how it is. Term number 3. Negative and positive space. This one is a 2-for-1. Positive space refers to the space taken up by the subject or subjects of your photograph. Negative space is the empty space around them, and the word empty is key to understanding the idea of negative space. Negative space is used to highlight the subject and their positive space. Different settings are going to have different amounts of negative space in them, so you can move around and change your camera angles to change the amount of negative space around your subject. Term number 4, visualization. Visualization is an essential but often forgotten about step in photography. It's the planning step of photography. It's all about really imagining what your end product, what your end photo is going to look like, and trying to achieve the best possible outcome. During this process, ask yourself questions like, is this the best setting, the best time of day? Are these the best angles? Will the end photo be in black and white or color? All of these things contribute to your final product. Visualization is really what takes your photographing from just simply capturing a setting and a subject to an intentional work of art. And finally, term number 5, composition. Composition refers to the arrangement of elements in your photographs. Often, photographers, of course, will try to arrange the elements in their photos in a way that's visually appealing and pleasing to the eye. Elements in your photos can include things like the subject, other objects in your photos, the lighting, the colors, the contrast. It's your job to arrange these things in a way that makes your photo better, more interesting, more beautiful. Really, composition is the follow-through of visualization. It's the actual actions that bring your photo to the next level. Want to learn more? Check out the links that I've compiled in the video description. They'll take you to a ton of great websites to teach you different and essential photography terms for beginners. Also, check out the next video in this series. I'm going to talk about balance in photographs.